a Guinness Book World Record.
If I never hear Steve say sea monster in a video again, it'll be too soon.
Hopefully it's sooner than later. A sea monster, a sea monster, a sea monster. Holy moly, this thing got some drag to it. Folks, thanks for tuning back in on the salt. Life is better on the water. We're out here with finally fishing. Christmas Day. 25. Finally fishing on the Mayport. We are hooked up to a sea monster.
Color.
That's a huge fish. Let's get this net. I'm pumping. Holy moly. Just like that, folks. No, not like that. Like this. Look at this side. Huh? Finally fishing right here in Mayport, Florida, folks. Jacksonville, Florida. Look at the size of that red snap. That's almost 30 pounds all day long.